Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. This is Madika. Today we're going to talk about how I become a Muslim. It wasn't something that happened in a second or overnight. It takes time. As a child, I had a wish and I wanted to become a Muslim, but I didn't know how or what to do. And I never feel shy or worry, but be proud that you are Muslim and you are lucky. I can't even get the way to describe how I feel. Don't take life for granted. And it did happen. I did meet someone and it changed my life forever. I will always be grateful for him. Life was never easy. Now I know that everything happened for a reason. Even if I have 10,000 tongues, still it won't be enough to say thank you for giving me a second chance in my life. Not everyone is lucky. Count the blessing, not the sorrow. Never be afraid to take risk in life. Look now where I am, in the heart of Asia, Pakistan. I have taken so many pain and sorrow. I have climbed so many stairs and I fall down a million times, but I still grateful to be who I am, will always be. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.